Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna, and as promised, I'm posting the recipe of the flexible gum paste. This is the paste I use to make my flowers flexible, and they remain flexible for 2 to 3 days. It's very easy to make, and it works exactly like the normal gum paste. So it's simple, and when you try it, do let me know what your reviews on this are. Let's get started. For the flexi gum paste, I use liquid glucose, shortening, I have water, glycerine, I have cream of tartar, citric acid. In the dry ingredients, I have the tapioca flour, Tylose, and xanthan gum. Along with that, I have about a little extra shortening which I have kept. We will use it as required when we are kneading the dough. First, I will take the tapioca flour, the Tylose, and the xanthan gum. I will put the xanthan gum and the Tylose in the tapioca flour, and I will mix this till it is well mixed. Next, in a bowl, I have taken the liquid glucose, to which I will add the water, the cream of tartar, the citric acid, the glycerine, and the shortening. Now this I will put on a medium flame and start heating this up till it starts bubbling. I have put it on the stove, an induction stove. You can use a gas if you have to, and we will just heat this up till the mixture starts bubbling. We have to make sure that the citric acid and the cream of tartar that we had put, it should be dissolved. It should not be down. So just stir it for a little while till the shortening also melts, and the cream of tartar and the citric acid are dissolved. Once it starts bubbling like this, we move on to the next step. Once it has started bubbling, I have reduced the temperature slightly because we want a soft bubble. We don't want it bubbling very rigorously, because otherwise once we put the flour inside, it will all clamp up. So once it's a gentle bubble like this, we will take the dry mix and put this inside. So once it is bubbling like this, I will put the dry mix that we had inside, and at this point I will take a whisk and start mixing it, because we want there to be no lumps. So we are going to whisk it together. I have emptied the mixture. It is still warm. I have emptied it on a tabletop. We had kept that little extra shortening. I will take about 10 to 12 grams first, and I will put it inside, and I will start kneading the dough. We need to knead the dough so that it comes together. In case if you feel that you need a little more shortening, you can keep using a little more shortening till you get a nice and pliable dough. As the dough has come together, for this recipe, I have used the eggless royal icing. Now, in the royal icing, if you do not want egg in your paste, you can even use the eggless royal icing, or you can use the egg royal icing. The recipe for both the royal icing with egg and eggless is on my channel, and you can use that. Or even if you want, you can use the packeted, the premix royal icing which comes. So I have used the royal icing with egg, and I will put this inside and knead it into a smooth dough. Now the dough has all come together and our dough is ready. But as you can see, the dough is a little off-white in color. So what I will do is I will use some gel color, white. If I normally make this as a base color, and then I knead it and I keep, and then I color as I require. So this, after putting the gel color, I will knead this again. So now that I have kneaded the dough and I have made it white, I have not made it super fine white because I want to color this into a yellow color and use it. So this is ready now. You can cling it and keep it, and you can start using it. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज।